I don't know about you, but I feel like at this point in my life I should confidently know the difference between IE and EG. It's just that the abbreviations don't always help me remember which is which. That's changing. Today. IE and EG are Latin abbreviations. EG is the abbreviation for exempli gratia and means for example and is the literal example of the thing being translated. IE is the abbreviation for id est and means in other words. By remembering the first letter of each abbreviation, I can start to keep them straight. The I in IE is for in other words and the E in EG is for example.
I'm so tired. The relationship didn't work out. The food was okay. That wasn't funny. I'm totally getting the hang of this. Now let's try EG. I'm so tired. She's really sweet. He's so nice. I love being corny. Wow, I'm so good at this.